Welcome to the 4th Founding Anniversary and United Nations Day Celebration 2025 of the Little Fitz Haven Learning Center with the theme Uniting Nations Towards a Sustainable Future. We started Little Fitz Haven Learning Center from a tutorial center. After I have worked from this private school, I have decided to put up a tutorial school. But then again, pandemic came, I hid there po sa favela, teaching the kids, only parents understand, only parents who are close to me, and previously who's been my parents from the other school. From then on, we ventured out for Little Fitz Haven sa encouragement na rin po ng mga magulang who were eyeing for a reading school, providing reading for their kids. Doon po ang simula ng Little Fitz Haven. After 4 years, here we are celebrating our 4th founding anniversary.
Yeah. From every nation, every shore, we stand together, rich or poor.
Good morning, everyone. All the wonderful parents and guardians, our bright pupils, and our guests. My heart is truly full as we celebrate two incredible things. Our 4th founding anniversary, 4 years of learning, growing, and building incredible community together.
One world, one voice, we sing as one. Together we shine like the rising sun. No borders divide, no walls remain. United forever, our song will sustain.
Voices rise and hearts ignite, shining hope.
Children, are you ready? Yes? We? Good job.
One world, one voice, we sing as one. Together we shine like the rising sun. No
Hola, Bonja, Todol, Miyuno mi Ikalangon Tingno, representing Brazil. My name is Sofia Isabel Abreu. I am 4 years old, representing Cambodia. Thank you. Bye. My name is Danya Kalei Ibasitas. I am 4 years old. When I grow up and become a nurse, I thank you. Good morning, everybody. I'm 4 years old. It's Spain. My name is Isabella Epstein. I'm from Costa Rica. Bonjour. My name is Francis Alia Di Peraza. I am 4 years old, representing France. My name is Sean Sebastian Gonzalez Pausita, representing Germany. My name is Ilana Faith Bambena Rena, Indonesia. Good morning, everyone. My name is Erwell Bernie Jr. and my for Korea. Hello, everyone. My name is Manuela Esqueda Payas, Myanmar. My name is Brianna Faith F. Falcon. I am 5 years old, representing Lebanon. My name is Maria Josh Chanel Bangdong, representing the country of Vietnam. Vietnam!
One world, one Together we shine like the rising sun. No borders divide, no walls remain. United forever, our song will sustain.
This day, celebration, as we achieved, we couldn't have done it without the tremendous support we felt all day long. I need to give a huge special thank you to our parents and guardian. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Pwede po ba nating palakpakan ang ating mga sarili, my dear parents?
I have a dream.
To start this founding anniversary, pwede niyo po bang hayaan niyo muna akong pasalamatan ang key person who helped us from day one to this day. Sir Eugene Carlo Pedroso, maraming salamat po. For every day that you have inspired and challenged me. It was a tough decision, but then again, maraming salamat po.
We are one, but we are different. We from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share our dreams. We'll be amongst the stars, and we know that it's destiny. And we are unity. We are unity.
I do believe.
I want to say thank you and express our gratitude from our parents since 2020 up to this day. To each one of you who enrolled and entrusted your kids with us, isa pong malaking karangalan ang maturuan ko ang bawat anak ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Without your trust, without your pagmamahal sa Little Feats, kahit na medyo pasaway ang teacher ninyo, alam ko pong patuloy nyo kaming minamahal. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. That is how Little Feats Haven started.